back with another video. So we have this 2015/16 Lexus IS250, and we're adding Apple CarPlay with the ZZ-2 interface. We use a lot of these. It's a pretty cool piece. Check it out. So ZZ-2, the piece is a ITS-LX15. And so with this system, and Lexus in general, the way it works is it'll typically, you want to pair up your phone to the factory Bluetooth, because this particular unit doesn't come with a microphone. So, and for the best results, they find that you tie your factory phone directly to the factory Bluetooth, then you take the phone and pair it up with the ZZ-2 unit for the CarPlay. And the way it's going to work is it allows you to answer your phone from the actual car for the phone calls, and stream music for CarPlay, and gives you maps and all the CarPlay abilities, as well as your Siri. So with that said, there's a couple ways you can look at the unit. So with this unit, you're going to have the factory screen up there, obviously, and then you're going to have your joystick control here. And the way it's going to work is, to get to your Apple CarPlay, you're going to hold down the menu button. Actually, going to hold it down until CarPlay comes up. Okay. And with CarPlay coming up, you're going to have all your jog controllers based on the knob itself here. So you can see CarPlay's there, and you'll be able to use the jog controller to control your unit. You can go to the jog controllers. These are really finicky, so they're going to act the way they're going to act. This is not going to improve it. If your screen's not touchscreen, that's not going to give you any other features other than that. So with that said, you can use your jog controller, and you can go to your actual your inputs or your CarPlay features. So we're going to go to, say we go to phone. Press the button down, that's going to access your phone. The menu could do back. So if you got a menu button here, it'll send you back. This also up and down will give you up and down as well. So you can use that to go up and down, but you have your jog controller that goes right to left. And then it's going to get you into the mapping as well. And all you got to do is press your enter button here, and it launches your map. So if you use a lot of Apple Maps or Waze Maps, that's basically how you're going to get to that. And then you get to your music. So let's go to music. You press that button there, and then we're going to go here, recently add, and you're going to see basically all the music I have downloaded on my server. So that does pages and all that good stuff. So at that said, you can actually get your basic features from there. Now, when you want to use the phone feature, you're going to come back to here, and you're going to hold down your mode. You're going to hold down your mode button. Actually, your mode button takes you there. Sorry. When you want to use your phone feature, you're going to actually hold down your phone button here, which is going to in turn launch your Siri. As you can see, the Siri comes up, and you can say play Amazon Music. And it's going to play your Amazon Music. Actually, I think this one actually played my Amazon Music. So it allows me to go into there and play my Amazon Music. If I want to go, hold it down, call Art. Now I'll call my buddy Art. And what it does when you make that call, it'll allow you to go directly to your, it'll go straight to your phone book and dial directly from your Apple Siri dialing. So it's really cool because it allows you to use your Siri to call and answer. So with that said, this is the ZZ-2 interface for Apple, for Lexus IS250, and you'll find that this is a really cool kit. So I'll play a track for you, and you tell me how you think it sounds as well. So let's check out how this thing sounds. You must remember that this system has to be an aux for you to benefit for using the Apple CarPlay. So let's hear it.
Wave, look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Long face, deck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black, and raspy, catch me with a lab. Young nigga make the slap that make her body do magic. Won't stop to my bank account magnets. Looking like I'm still running paper routes backwards. Money bags, no advance, snap back like a rubber band. Pretty thing with a suntan, make it bounce back when she do the dance. All my song we supposed to pay, see your things through a different lens. Living fast, only one chance.
Sounds pretty good.